Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic HTML. So let's get started. What is the primary purpose of the HTML5 template element? The correct answer is option A. To hold client-side content that is not to be rendered when a page is loaded, but may subsequently be instantiated during runtime using JavaScript. Which attribute can be used on an HTML element to indicate whether the browser should check the element for spelling or grammar errors? The correct answer is option B, spell check. In the HTML5 Geolocation API, which method is used to get the current position of the user's device just once? The correct answer is option C, get current position. When using the track element within a video tag, which kind attribute value is used specifically for providing a transcription of dialogue and sound effects for the deaf? The correct answer is option D, captions. Which value of the autocomplete attribute in a form input suggests that the browser should not store or offer to fill in the data? The correct answer is option A, off. What does the download attribute in an A tag signify? The correct answer is option B. It prompts the user to save the linked resource instead of navigating to it. In an inline SVG, which attribute defines the coordinate system and aspect ratio of the graphic? The correct answer is option C, viewbox. What is the key difference between local storage and session storage in HTML5 web storage? The correct answer is option D. Session storage data is cleared when the page session ends, tab is closed, while local storage has no expiration time. Which HTML5 element is used to represent a dialog box or other interactive component, such as an inspector or window? The correct answer is option A, dialog. How do you make an HTML element's content editable by the user directly in the browser? The correct answer is option B, by setting the attribute content editable equals true. When using the picture element, which child element is used to specify different image resources for different media conditions? The correct answer is option C, source. Which attribute can be applied to an input field to suggest the type of virtual keyboard to display on mobile devices? The correct answer is option D, input mode. What is the effect of the Boolean hidden attribute on an HTML element? The correct answer is option A. The element is not rendered and is hidden from the user. Why is rel equals nupener often used with a target equals underscore blank? The correct answer is option B. To prevent the newly opened page from accessing the window.opener object of the original page. Which HTML element is used to provide a visible heading for the details element? The correct answer is option C, summary. Which attribute is used to enable lazy loading for an IMG element to improve page performance? The correct answer is option D, loading equals lazy. In an ordered list OL, which attribute is used to display the list items in descending numerical order? The correct answer is option A, reversed. What is the purpose of the ping attribute on an A element? The correct answer is option B. To send a short post request to a list of URLs when the link is followed, usually for tracking. Which attribute is used to specify whether the content of an element should be translated or not when the page is localized? The correct answer is option C, translate. What is the difference between the meter and progress elements? The correct answer is option D, progress. Represents the completion progress of a task. Meter represents a scalar measurement within a known range. Which global attribute provides a hint for generating a keyboard shortcut for the current element? The correct answer is option A, access key. What does the sandbox attribute in an iframe do? The correct answer is option B. It enables a set of extra restrictions on the content that can appear in the iframe. For an input type equals file, which attribute can be used to specify that the media should be captured directly from the device's camera or microphone? The correct answer is option C, capture. In a block quote element, which attribute is used to point to the URL of the source of the quotation? The correct answer is option D, site. Which attribute is required for the time element to provide a machine-readable version of the date time? The correct answer is option A, datetime. What is the purpose of the cross-origin attribute on IMG or script tags? The correct answer is option B. To configure the CORS, cross-origin resource sharing, requests for the element's data. How do you allow a user to select more than one option in a select element? The correct answer is option C. By adding the multiple attribute. What does a tab index value of -1 signify? The correct answer is option D. The element is removed from the default tab flow but can still be focused programmatically. Where is the base tag typically placed in an HTML document? The correct answer is option A, inside the head element. Which attribute is used in a video tag to show an image while the video is downloading or until the user hits the play button? The correct answer is option B, poster. Thank you for watching.